Everyone's talking about ChatGPT. But there's one AI hustle you've never heard of. That's already made this guy over $100,000. Meet Ray, a 28-year-old who quit his corporate job with no backup plan. Just curiosity and a Mid-Journey Discord login. He started selling AI-generated art prints on Etsy, but competition hit fast, sales dropped. Instead of quitting, Ray pivoted. He used ChatGPT to write landing pages, 11 Labs to voice ad scripts, Pictory to generate ad reels, and Mid-Journey to create personalized art. For couples, families, even pets. He automated everything with Zapier. Orders came in, files generated, ads ran, and passive income started stacking. In 10 months, Ray cleared 6 figures. He didn't just hustle, he systemized. And that's the real power of AI. Want the breakdown? We reverse engineer stories like this every week. Subscribe to Modern Grind. Don't chase hustle, build leverage.